Hello dear students, I'm Carmen. I'm the moderator of General English from Foundation Studies for International Students, and today I am going to show you how to make up a badge with criteria. Under the administration and course administration, I can show you that the grades are already made up. I hope it will open soon. Okay. Under each of my resources and activities and exercises, I have made up a grid with 100 points, course total, which means simple weighted mean of grades, 100. I can go back under MSTEM. Okay, so under badges, I click Manage Badges. Okay, as you can see, I already added 2 of them as an exercise, and today I want to add a new badge. First of all, I want to drop the file. Put here. Okay. Then I scroll back. I call it Extreme Learners because learning is a very pleasant a very pleasant activity, and as a description I will say commitment and peer learning, which I experienced to my heart's content in this course with Dr. Nelly and all my colleagues, and I enjoyed it to the full. I chose that file, I introduced that file. In the course Foundation Studies, for international students. And I will introduce at the contact my email address, not with capitals. Okay. I will click Create Badge. Let me see, it's already here. As an overview, the name is Extreme Learners, description, commitment and peer learning, the image, issuer name, issuer contact, badge expiry, does not have an expiry date, and add criteria, which I could have added from here. I can choose activity completion, and I want some activities, not some resources, but not necessarily learning activities. let's say learning objectives, collaborative forum. If I want to add more criteria, media collection, which other, let's say, okay, if they added some images, if they added the entry in glossaries, if they completed their student folder, and one more, let's say, and if they filled in the questionnaire of feedback. I will click Save. I think I haven't enabled access. Any activity completion, page, learning objectives and typical syllabus if they have read it, the forum if they contributed to collaborative forum, if they inserted something into the media collection or some scientific images, an entry to scientific terms glossary, if they filled in their folder, and if they have filled in the questionnaire. It's okay. The manager is currently not available to you. Enable access if you want to users earn the badge, so I enable access. We have to confirm. I click continue. The message, I will keep it. Congratulations, you earned the badge. You can manage and download the badge from the Manage Badges pages. Attach badge to message, notify badge creator. I click every time, I choose every time. Save changes. Please. Do it. And the recipients, I think there is one recipient, which is me. As I introduce some materials, I can view issued badge here. Name, issuer details, Foundation Studies for International Students, contact, badge details, name, description, course, criteria, badge expiry, date issues, was issued for. Okay. I can download it for here, add to backpack, but I don't want that. I go back into my course, our course. Let's see under navigation if I can see it. Oops. I hope I can see it. Oh, it's here. How nice. It's issued to me. I'm so happy. And I can show you also under my course some activities or resources, how I attached criterias under General English. The editing is on. As you can see, it's red. Which one shall I choose? this one. I click edit, edit settings. Okay, it's a lesson. Under grade, maximum grade 100, practice lesson. I didn't restrict action. Activity completion. Show activity as complete when conditions are met, I chose. Student must view this activity to complete it. Must receive a grade. I didn't. Okay, I can choose one. You must reach the end of the lesson page to complete this task. I didn't assign a specific time. Expect completed on 31s. And I save and return to course. Thank you very much.